This season we're showing a lot of waves and curls. We're kind of moving away from that very straight look with the fashions that are out right now reflecting the Gatsby and some of that more vintage feel. We're seeing a lot of soft textured waves. So we're going back a lot to round brushing, curling iron, and the coloring in the hair makes a difference in the wave too. We like to use a little dimension, not just one color. So we're either doing highlights or weaving some of our hair extensions through, adding a little color, adding a little fullness, making the hair more glamorous and big. Big hair is in.